Good morning, everybody. It is like 6 a.m. Just took my morning shower. I was gonna try to film this before that, but I was like just too groggy. I was like, I gotta take a shower first. Anyway, let's check in and see where we're at. It's day number 3, Wednesday, September 27th. $230.6. Nice. So it's a little afternoon and I went and got lunch for all the guys. Went to Wendy's, got 7 biggie meals. It's kind of hard to resist getting one for myself. Some spicy chicken nuggets sounded really good. But yeah, can't be doing that if we want to stay on track here. Maybe like once a week or something, but not here just a couple days in. Okay, so I just finished up racing in the Velocity Sim with the Reading group. We did TBS Spec today. You can see there I came in, what, 13th? Yeah, 13th out of 18. Not great, but also not terrible. Getting faster at the bigger drones, but most of the guys are still way faster than me. Anyway, about to head to the gym and then come back and eat some dinner. Another day, another gym session done. Gonna head home, eat, and watch some Netflix. All right, let's go. Just got home and look who's here to greet me. The Hungry Immelmans. You hungry, Immelmans? Yeah, huh? Back home, showered, and now having dinner. Yeah, another day, another vlog. Thanks for watching again, this 3rd vlog. Yeah, doing some decent weight loss, and yeah, vlog's going well. Thanks for watching. All right, Hey everyone, good morning. It's day number 4, which is Thursday, September 28th. And obviously I didn't put out a video last night. I ate my dinner and then I passed out on the couch. So yeah, I guess I was pretty tired. Anyway, we'll do a double video today and then try to get back on track, at least for the first week of daily vlogs. We'll see how that goes. Definitely not gonna be able to keep it up later because I'm doing some traveling in October. Anyway, let's check in our weight and see where we're at. 229.5. All right, another pound down. So today is Thursday, and on Thursday I typically do an intermittent fast for about 20 hours. So I stopped eating last night at about 10 p.m. and so I have to make it to at least 6 p.m. today before I start eating. So on fasting days, obviously I don't eat anything besides water. Not supposed to have anything with any calories. There's a few things you can have, like sugar-free things and black coffee, but yeah, I just stick with only having water. The main difference is that I don't take my supplements here in the morning because some of them have calories, and I think that would break your fast. I don't know for sure. Anyway, I just wait until the evening to take them. All right, just finished up the sim race here. Did a little better today. We were racing X Class, which is actually super fun. I've never raced X Class in the sim, or maybe I have once before, but I don't know. It seemed pretty fun today. Mr. E made a really good track. Anyway, I came in 14th out of 25, not too bad, and now headed to the gym. I just finished up at the gym. Another good workout in, 4 days in a row, doing well. Gonna head home and break this fast. I am hungry and I'm ready for some food. So yeah, I think it'll be about a 20-hour fast. We'll see when I get home. I'm back at home and I'm about to jump in the shower. And I was gonna just break my fast because I was pretty hungry, but not feeling quite as starving at the moment. So after we do that, I'm going to edit the video for week 3 and 4, get that posted since I fell asleep yesterday and didn't get that done, but just one day off. And yeah, then I'll toss some DVR at the end here. Not sure exactly what it'll be, but I'll find something interesting and toss it on. All right. Thanks for watching, everyone, and hopefully we'll see you tomorrow for day 5.
Yep.
every word. Each lie was more absurd, kept me so insecure, but now that's over.
Oh, you just, we better go hunt that.